Hello students, today we will discuss previous year question paper of Information Technology Class X. Question 8. Answer any 4 out of the given 6 questions on employability skills. Each question is of 1 mark. I. The file name and file name extension are separated by A. Answer B. Dot. 2. Which of the following type of communication involves interchanging messages only through images or pictures? Answer C. Visual. 3. Is the ability to identify and manage one's own emotions as well as the emotions of others. Answer B. Emotional intelligence. 4. Is the driving force that pushes us to achieve our goals, feel happy and improve our quality of life. Answer D. Self-motivation. Which of the following is not an essential quality to become a successful entrepreneur? Answer D. Wealthy. 6. In total, how many SDGs were adopted by the United Nations in 2015 as a universal call to action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that by 2030, all people enjoy peace and prosperity? Answer C. 17. Question 2. Answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. Each question is of 1 mark. I. Which of the following features allows one to apply a group of formats at the same time? Answer B. Styles. 2. In Writer, Styles and Formatting option is available under Menu. Answer C. Format. 3. Gaurav is creating a report in Writer. The image gets embedded in his document. Whenever he drags and drops the image and the document size increases. Suggest a way to link the image file instead of embedding I. Answer D. Hold down the Ctrl and Shift key while dragging and dropping the image. 4. Resize may badly affect the resolution of an image. Answer B. Raster image. In Writer, you can create your own template in way S. Answer B. 2. 6. In Writer, function key is used to see the databases while implementing mail merge. Answer D. Question 3. Answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. Each question is of 1 mark. I. While consolidating data, a cell range can be named using option. Answer B. Define range. 2. Kaval and his friends are working on a spreadsheet for entering data and updating records. They wish to keep a track of changes. Which of the following options will help in knowing who made the changes and what changes were done in the spreadsheet? Answer B. Record changes. 3. Is a more elaborate form of goal seek. Answer D. Solver. 4. Macro functions can be written to behave as regular functions by writing an. Answer C. Add-in. Option of calc helps in viewing the changes made to a worksheet using original and edited worksheet. Answer C. Edit compare document. 6. In calc, shared workbooks allow. Answer D. Adding text. Question 4. Answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. Each question is of 1 mark. I. In OpenOffice Base, the relationship applied on the tables can be removed with the help of option. Answer D. Delete. 2. In SQL, the keyword to display records in ascending order is. Answer C. ASC. 3. Is a numeric data type which can store yes/no type values in the form of 0 or 1 in OpenOffice Base table. Answer A. Boolean. 4. Which of the following statement retrieves 0 or more rows from 1 or more? Database tables or database views? Answer C. Select. Roshni has created a table customer in SQL and wants to store photograph image of every customer under cust_photo field. Suggest a suitable data type from the options given below. Answer C. Longva binary. 6. By default, all the fields in OpenOffice base will have data type. Answer C. Text, varchar. Question 5. Answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. Each question is of 1 mark. And discussion style website similar to an online personal diary used for creating personal web pages. Answer C. Blog. 2. Natasha works as floor manager. She has been assigned a task for conducting regular to ensure safety of life in case of any disaster or emergency by evacuating the place of danger. Answer C. Evacuation drill. 3. Is an accessibility feature that assists people who have difficulty using a keyboard or a mouse, or both. Answer B. Serial key. 4. Network in which all computers have equal status is called. Answer A. Peer-to-peer architecture. We are text files with small pieces of data like a username and password. Answer C. Cookies. 6. DSL stands for UNS. C. Digital subscriber line. Thank you for watching. We will cover part B of question paper in the next video. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and share the video among your friends and near and dear ones. Thank you for watching.